Is portion size? What is serving size? Are they the same or are they different? If there are similarities or differences, why is it important? In this video, I'm going to be answering these questions, and I'm also going to be letting us know why it's important to understand portion size and serving size in relation to health. My name is Bate Ayok. I talk about health, nutrition, and diet. Today, we're going to be talking about portion size and serving size, as you've heard before. When making healthy choices, deciding the amount of food that we need to eat during meals, understanding the difference between portion size and serving size can make a big difference. A recent survey that was carried out in America showed that most consumers do not understand the difference between portion size and serving size, though many mistakenly believe that they do. There is this big misconception that a serving size, either on a nutrition facts level or by research, is an essential, and when I say essential, essential in quote, prescription for the right amount of food to either eat or drink. A serving size is a standard amount that has been set by researchers, health professionals, or a manufacturing company of a particular kind of food or a packaged food that gives the nutritional attributes present in that amount that has been set of that kind of food or the packaged food. For example, you might pick up a package and it says the serving size is 1 cup. And everything, the nutritional attributes that are recorded are the quantities of nutrients and energy that quantity, that amount that has been set as the serving provides. Now, a portion size is the amount of food that you choose to eat, the quantity that you choose to eat from either a particular kind of food or the packaged food. That is a portion size. What are the main differences now between portion size and serving size? Portion size varies based on an individual's hunger cues, health goals, weight management goals, and factors that are unique to that person. While a serving size on a nutrition facts level or by research is the same for every individual, if it is set for this age group or for a particular group of persons, it's the same for everyone who looks at the information on the nutrition facts level or provided by that research. It's the same. Now, your portion size will vary based on your needs. Why is it important to know, and how does it affect your health if you know the difference, or if you understand what portion size is and what serving size is? Serving size helps you to be able to understand the nutritional attributes present in that amount of food that has been set. From there, you can be able to determine your portion size based on your own individual needs. Understanding the difference between serving size and portion size has some benefits. 1, it helps you to manage your portion size better. 2, it helps you to prevent waste of food. And 3, it helps you to be able to save some money, save some dollars, and keep for further use or future use. Let's have a recap. A serving size can serve as a reference point to know the nutritional attributes in that standard amount that has been set. But the amount of food that we chose to eat, that is the portion size that we chose to eat, is going to be based on our health goals, our personal preferences, factors that are unique to us, and lastly, our hunger cues. Understanding the nutrition facts label of a product can help us to be able to decide the right portion size to be able to have in meals. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you watched this video right up to this point, I would like you to leave a comment in the comment section below saying portion size. Let me know that you understood something about portion size and serving size. Also, I would like you to hit the like button so that this video can reach many persons, and I will know that you also loved watching this video. And secondly, I would also like you to subscribe to my channel, and lastly, hit the notification button so that every time I produce or make a new video, you'll be the first to know, because every week I make videos on health, nutrition and diet. Thank you, stay blessed and remain healthy.